Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going back to our roots. We're going to fix something. This is a valve body and it's going in that car. Don't worry though, don't panic. Keep calm. Grandpa will fix it. Before we get started, I do want to say thank you to my daughter. Look at this cool hat that she got for me. Keep calm and Grandpa will fix it. Yeah, she has a son. I have a grandson. His name is Ethan, and he is the coolest kid ever, and he is going to be a car guy just like his grandpa and just like his mom. A car girl, I guess it would be. Okay, but anyway, I love this. Thank you very much, Jules. I'm going to keep this forever. This is my 97 S500 with that really good 722.6 transmission. The only thing is, when you try to put it in gear, if you're in park and you try to go to reverse or into drive, it takes a couple of seconds. Watch this video that I made. All right, here's the issue. I don't have a microphone right now, so I apologize. But watch, if I put it into reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds before I can go in reverse. And then if I want to go into drive, watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. So it's like a 4 to 5 second delay, but I'm trying to change gears in this thing, and that is a little cuckoo to me. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on here. All right, okay? This, I believe, could be the problem. This is your valve body right here, and I went to the LKQ here, and I got this from a 97 S-Class Mercedes, so it's the same valve body and the little plate here, this little plate right here. So these are all the little solenoids. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take these out. We're going to test them to make sure they're good, and then I might use this plate, or I might get another one, because when I first bought the car, it wasn't shifting very well, and I put in a new, what is it called, a conductor plate? Yeah, I got a new one and I put that in there, but it didn't seem to fix the problem. So I hope this is going to fix it all right here. So basically we have 1, 2, 3. To me they look like they're Torx T30s maybe. Okay, we're going to take these off, pull these out, and we're going to test them to hear a click. If we hear a click when we apply power, then they're good, okay? And yes, I know this needs, it's kind of dusty. I'm going to fix this all up and make it all nice and pretty. Okay, here we go. Well, as Dr. Frankenstein said, welcome to my laboratory. No, I don't know if he ever said that. But I've got all of these solenoids kind of laid out right here. They're in the same position as they were here in the valve body. So we're going to start at position number, let's go left to right. Okay, so we're going to take this one right here. And what we want to hear is a little click. Okay, I have power from a battery that's not dead yet. Ha! So we're going to apply power to this one, and we're just going to listen for a click. All right, you ready? Here we go. Ooh, ooh, that's good. Okay, one good solenoid. Let's go here. We'll check this one out. Here. Careful now. I probably should have got better wires and connectors, but that's okay. Okay, we got this one. Yep, nice and strong. Okay, so we'll go through and we'll check all of these, and then we hopefully will have 6 good solenoids. We'll put them back in and button everything back up, but let's do one more. Yeah. Hear it open and close? Way to go. Good for you and you. Hope you can see this. I'm trying to do better with my camera today. Okay, one more. Here we go. You ready? Yep, you can hear it open and close. So the solenoids are good. Well, you know what? Let's just test them all. I'm going to go fast here so you guys can get the full effect. The full Monty. Here, listen. Okay. And one more. Here we go. You ready? Okay. So I think they all sounded good. They all clicked. This one was a little weaker, but it's a different kind than the others. So I think that's going to be okay. We're going to call that a win. Okay? Cha-ching! Good stuff. So let's get these all buttoned back up. See, this is how you can tell I got it from Copart. They wrote on it for me. Okay, we're going to get this all back buttoned up. We're going to clean it off all nice and neat. Then we get to lift the car, drain the transmission fluid, drop the tranny pan, take the valve body out, and put this one in with the conductor plate.
Okay, so we have everything buttoned back up, and I have this going into the transmission dipstick fill hole, okay? You don't get a dipstick with this car, but you can buy one, but they do give you a little fill hole. And I don't want to start the great debate about transmission fluid, if such and such is approved or not, so I'm not going to show you. It's red, okay? That's all you need to know, is that it is red. I'm going to put 3 quarts in here, start her up, and see how she does. Hopefully she's not going to spill too much. What was that? That was like a half a quart. Yay. She's going in nice and smoothly. I don't see that we're dripping anything. I don't want to show you what I look like because it's not a pretty picture right now. Yeah, it's 95 degrees with 600% humidity. So we're just going to put in about 3 quarts. Start her up, measure her, get her to operating temperature, and then top her off. And then she's happy, and then hopefully she's going to switch into gears sooner. I don't know. We'll just see what happens.
All right, I want to show you the dipstick you can get from Amazon, eBay, whatever. This goes for a lot of the Mercedes, but it's got some measuring points right there, hot and cold, so we're going to see how close we are. We are back in the car post shower. Yeah, that was pretty grody when it was raining transmission fluid. Yeah, that's my raining transmission fluid sign. Okay, so did it work? I don't know. Let's see here. We're gonna start her up. We're gonna put her in reverse. 3, 4, 5. Kind of, maybe. Okay, let's go into drive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, maybe it didn't. Maybe it's a little quicker. Yes, no, upside. I don't. Is it this finger? I don't know. What do I do? All right. Well, we certainly tried. Okay. Well, we gave it the old college try. It's a little better. The car seems to be shifting a little smoother now. That's a win. So, was it worth it? I don't know. I got a video out of it. Hopefully you guys got a laugh or two out of it, maybe some knowledge, which is great. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We have more videos coming up with this car and that car and that car and that car and that car. Yeah, and I'm here trying to keep everybody happy and make all these cars work. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day, everybody. All right, bye-bye.